Welcome to Choosy Squeezy channel. Today we are playing 3 good and 1 bad gift challenge. Before starting video, do subscribe for more entertaining videos. Choose your house. Choose your bedroom. Choose your living room. Choose your kitchen. Choose your bathroom. Choose your wardrobe. Choose your dresser. Choose your backyard. Choose your car. Choose your bike. Choose your bicycle. Choose your laptop. Choose your phone. Choose your gaming setup. Choose your headphones.